What's going on, y'all? SCS, back with another one. Got the floor mats for this car. These for my silver box, these for my Landau. Man, when I tell y'all, I showed somebody, like, look at all these parts I got for my cars. He was like, you good. I would have been working on my own shit. People think I be capping. They be like, oh, wow, you don't show this car. Did you see this car? Well, what's up with this? What's up with that? All the parts are just piled up, man. But as y'all seen, the car got red seat belts to match the red paint. The seat belt distributors don't have that exact color, and they don't make exact colors. So I didn't want to put some seat belts in there that didn't exactly match. So I'm just gonna wait on the sample to come in, and then while I'm here, I'm finna order. While I'm going through this Harbor Freight, I'm about to get these clamps that hold the seat belt strap down, so I won't have to do it how I did it. Let me see. Yep, these bad boys right here. Like it was, minus the new power wipe. Man. It is very late, very early in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, so the car's supposed to leave in about 6 hours, 10 o'clock. So the show is actually, the show to meet, whatever it is actually on Saturday. So yeah, one more day to keep going. Every day I just keep adding stuff to the damn list. Like, it just be little stuff. Bolt down the dash, screw in the kick panels, weld the shifter back together. I gotta adjust the shifter. Got about that. Since it's lower now, don't go all the way in the park. All the important stuff really done. The real important stuff. Missing pieces, I done found everything I could find. Sourced everything I could source. So the rest, I just can't. Time to get back to the quick money for about a good 2 weeks, and I got a trip I'm about to take, so I have to hold back. Gotta get back to the quick bucks. Man, them door panels was some work, man. They was made without the end user in mind, so you had to go back and cut the holes, cut it for the window switches, cut for the door clips. Not cut, but it's a way that you could do it after it's already done, and that's what I had to do. Who wrapped these? KJ Soul on Instagram. They gonna get wrapped over. These boys, yeah. They busted, man. Like, if your car was sitting in the sun for an extended amount of time, then you know what I'm talking about. These boys just bust. But literally, they bust. Like, they new and perfect. They flat. And they sit right. You can make these out of wood too. For people who don't know. I be telling people, they be like, damn, I can. Yes, you can make these out of wood. It's a certain technique and stuff you gotta use. That's how people put the lights and stuff in here. But yeah, them boys busted. Gonna wrap them again one more time, and that's gonna be that. Y'all seen under the hood, I just did everything back like it was. Taped it all. Zip tied everything back down. Boom, that was done. So yeah, that's that. I forgot the battery hold downs. Forgot to tell him you need to order that. That shit kind of important. Yeah. Definitely need to vote, I think. Yeah. Make sure I write that down. Battery hold down and battery bolt. So when they come back, I'm trying to get it to the point to where I just knock the console out. That's what I want to do. I don't want to go take nothing back apart. That's what I'm trying to get. Everything inside the car, all them trim pieces in and on and done. I just got front and back window trim. As far as pieces, they got to be done, wrapped or re-wrapped or installed. Front and back window trim, top dash, and then the B pillars. That's it. That's the only thing. And it'll be at a 90-something%. I ain't gonna say 100 because it never really got 100. Yeah, the console, man, I kind of knew it. Cause all the stuff I just did took as much time as the console gonna take. So that's why I was like, man, you know what? Let me just do everything else. And then I got a fire extinguisher for it. I got to fab this piece for that. That's kind of important. So the console, I'm gonna wait. But I did this. This is wrong one. Yeah, so these two I'm gonna do tomorrow, and then a couple of this stuff. Yeah, some of the stuff is obviously gonna have to come back. You gotta get the rest of his parts. In the meantime,
in between time,
I think I'm gonna pull the blue box Chevy in. Really? Nah, I'm trying to get some of my money back, because I've been missing my quotas with this car. So I might just leave Blue Chevy alone and knock out about 5 to 7 orders in the next 10 days. Yeah, I think it's gonna be about 10 days. But yeah, tell me what y'all think, man. Tell me what you think. That back deck light up too. I can get these pieces down. Change the angle and y'all put the 1/2 inch camera lens. It's a little bit dirt back there. But yeah, I made this way in August of last year, and it is June of the next year. I had a lot of these pieces done for this car already. I just was waiting on the car. But I did not expect all of this wiring. But yeah, this light up white. Then the console gonna light up white. I think I may or may not, I don't know, put some lights in this piece. I supposed to charge for that, but I mean, it's just quicker for me. It's just quicker to make something right there than to sew that other piece up and not like it, and sew it again and not like it, and sew it again, then I like it. I'm fast with the fab, so it's really my specialty.
Did he tell y'all we pulled an all-nighter?
Yeah, I showed the time. It's after 4 o'clock.
And he out here working on other people's stuff.
Yeah, I should be working on my own stuff at 4 o'clock.
Working on his own stuff.
It's coming.
Oh, he's making everybody else look good. He needs to put that time and effort into himself.
It's coming. Yo, because if we get to commercial location, shoot, I start back recording tomorrow night.